Welcome to Braino. In today's challenge, you'll guess 27 animals from zoomed-in pictures. We have 3 levels: easy, medium, and hard. You'll get 5 seconds for each animal, so stay sharp. Let's see how good you really are. Let's begin. Guess the animal. Lion. Guess the animal. Giraffe. Guess the animal. Dog. Guess the animal. Goat. Guess the animal. Cow. Guess the animal. Monkey. Guess the animal. Bear. Guess the animal. Chicken. Guess the animal. Eagle. Awesome. You did great on the easy animals. Let's see how you do at the medium level. Guess the animal. Leopard. Let's go. Guess the animal. Raccoon. Guess the animal. Hippopotamus. Awesome. Guess the animal. Rhinoceros. Guess the animal. Flamingo. Guess the animal. Peacock. Guess the animal. Kangaroo. Guess the animal. Alligator. Guess the animal. Ostrich. Easy and medium were the warm-up. Hard starts now. Guess the animal. Jaguar. Guess the animal. Hyena. Guess the animal. Wolf. Guess the animal. Komodo dragon. Guess the animal. Armadillo. Guess the animal. Meerkat. Guess the animal. Bison. Guess the animal. Chameleon. Guess the animal. Moose. So, how many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this challenge, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Braino for more brain games.